I came in loud, I don't do it quiet. Told them I'm a riot, now the throne's my diet. Came from the bottom, now I'm top floor flying. Turn my pain to gold, I'm a King Midas. Watch me, I move like the world in my palm. Can't dim my light, I'm the sun in the storm. They wanna test me, but I break the norm. My fire's eternal, yeah, that's my form. All gas, no brake, gotta drive like this. Big checks, I don't write little scripts. They talk about moves, I don't make small hits. Run a marathon, but I sprint through bliss. Yeah, I told you I'm the king of the wave. Cash my dues, now I'm paid every day. Built an empire, no it don't cave. Crown on my head, let the crowd misbehave. I told you I'm the king of the wave. Front of the line where my spot is engraved. They doubted me once, now I make them all crave. Keep watching, I'm the king of the wave. Say my name in the air turns electric. Manifest moves, yeah, I'm so magnetic. They said I was done, but I'm too kinetic. Now my wind stretch far like a bridge, poetic. Overcame mountains, swam through the ocean. Still came clean with the roughest emotions. I'm a storm, every drop's devotion. Keep my circle small, big moves in motion. Diamonds on my wrist got me colder than poles, but my heart stay hot, yeah, I'm burning for goals. Stacking my legacy, they ready to scrolls. I'm a player coach, I'm out here playing both roles. Tell me who's next, who wants the crown? Built my throne on the battleground. Every king that came tried to tear me down, but I'm still here, undefeated round after round. Yeah, I told you I'm the king of the wave. Cash my dues, now I'm paid every day. Built an empire, no it don't cave. Crown on my head, let the crowd misbehave. I told you I'm the king of the wave. Front of the line where my spot is engraved. They doubted me once, now I make them all crave. Keep watching, I'm the king of the wave. Every yell I took made me sharper than steel. Can't fake my grind, yeah, this hustle is real. Got scars, but their stories, my pain's the reveal. Now the world's my buffet, every win's a meal. They threw dirt, now I bloom like spring. Haters buzzing round, but I'm still the king. Do my own thing, no puppet, no strings. And I write my truth while the whole world sings. Eyes on the prize, my vision never sways. Always on grind, I don't count the days. They copy my vibe, trying to ride my waves, but I'm the OG, can't clone my waves. Yeah, I rose up, king of the wave. Took my time, but now I paved my own way. Wrote my name where the legends play. Crown on lock, they can't take my stay. Every verse is a reminder I'm here. See my reflection in the crowd, it's clear. Built a legacy to withstand the years. Make the doubters turn believers, I'm sincere. Every L I took made me sharper than steel. Can't fake my grind, yeah, this hustle is real. Got scars, but they stories, my pain's the reveal. Now the world's my buffet, every win's a